Isang Filipina-Canadian rugby player ang inatasang maging team captain ng Philippine National Women's Team sa Southeast Asian Cup sa Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia na magsisimula bukas. Kilalanin natin siya sa report na ito.
Kasabay ng winter training ng Rocky Mountain Rogues Rugby Women's Team sa Kimberley, British Columbia, nag-iensayo na rin ng Filipina-Canadian fly-half Trixie Passes na nakatakdang irepresenta ang Pilipinas bilang captain ng Philippine National Team sa parating na Southeast Asian Cup sa Malaysia.
Getting called up for this tournament means a lot because I thought that I was retired from playing rugby at this level after I tore my ACL.
5 taong gulang lang noon si Passes nang lumipat sa Canada ang kanilang pamilya. Pero aktibo ito sa paglalaro ng rugby sa Pilipinas, lalo nang maging exchange student noong 2009.
At the time, there was only touch rugby in the Philippines, so I participated in that, but connected with people, and as soon as I found out that they were elevating it to full contact rugby, I put my hand up to participate. And so in 2010, the Philippines sent their first women's national team to a tournament in Guangzhou, China, and I was honored to be on that team alongside my little sister.
Mula nang sumabak sa international tournament noong 2010, naging madalas na ang pag-uwi sa Pilipinas ni Passes, kung saan naging bahagi na rin ng national team.
This upcoming tournament, I'll be earning my 13th and 14th caps. So it'll be the 13th and 14th times that I get to represent my country in an international official tournament.
2 Canadians ang makakasama rin ni Passes sa laro, kung saan haharapin ang Singapore at Malaysia sa February 9 at 14 sa Kuala Lumpur.
Two teams that we've come up against before, and it's always kind of a neck-and-neck battle between the three of us.
Bagamat ilang beses nang nakapaglaro para sa Philippine National Team, malaki pa rin ang pasasalamat ni Passes sa tiwala ng bansa at ng komunidad sa kanyang husay at talento.
As I get older and more seasoned with the sport, I appreciate each of these opportunities even more because there's no guarantee that you're going to have a next go. Just from having injuries along the way and things like that, or career and life changing and evolving. So I'm definitely going to go over there and make the most of this experience and soak it all up.
Mag-uumpisa ang Southeast Asian Cup sa ika-8 ng Pebrero.